Hi everyone, here we've got the DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me tap on it, and here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history right here, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course you can remove only one of it just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappears, so you can remove all of them one by one just by tapping on the X buttons, but you can do it with only one click just by tapping on this clear browsing data. And as you can see here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we can also remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So all you have to do is simply mark the options you'd like to activate and you'd like to remove. What's more, you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you are ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, so it means that we just successfully removed not only the browsing history but also, for example, saved passwords. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.